Hey everyone, it is Craft Fair Friday and I am working with this collection for Craft Fair Friday, which is the Echo Park, actually it's Cartabella Sunflower Summer, and I have the 6x6 pad, the ephemera, the kit, the Sunflower Summer kit. I do have some extra pages to go with that kit as well. Just these three, well, yeah, three. And then I have the Sunflower Summer Coordinating Solids paper pack. Okay, and I will show you the projects that I've made with this kit, this collection. All right, guys, let me show you what I made with the Echo Park, no, Cartabella Sunflower Summer Collection. Okay, let's see where I'm going to start. Okay, I'm going to start with the little notebooks. So, you know me, I'm going to make notebooks, and I made, there's a lot of cut aparts in this collection. So I did make quite a few little notebooks. So I made 2 3x4 notebooks, 2 4x4 notebooks, and 2 4x6 notebooks. So let's start. I'm just going to do a real quick flip through. All I did was add some stickers. I used everything from the collection, even the 6x6 paper. I cut it down, and just going to do a quick flip through. This would be great to put little pictures in, journal about summer. Anyway, that's that one. And then this one had, I just did all of this to it. This collection was fun. I think I've made stuff with it before, but it was fun this time. And you'll see why it was fun in a minute. Okay, quick flip through. You know, you see the pages. They're all pretty much the same, just simple notebooks. They're not, and the same with the 4x4s, they're going to be the same paper in them, just the covers and the front cover and the back cover are different, of course. And then these, did I add anything? No, I just added some of the stickers, and that's it. I didn't add pockets or anything to those. Okay, so let's go on to these. Okay, so I have a bunch of these little smaller cards from, where are these from? One of them's from Paper Studio, so that would be, these would be the Paper Studio ones from Hobby Lobby. And I challenged myself to make 10 of them. This is just using leftovers from the paper collection. And I didn't get 10, but here they are, the little cards I did make. And a lot of this stuff is just scraps I had left over, and I put it together. And I made these little things, what I'm calling, like, look, I just took whatever I had left over, combined it, and I'm calling it a little snippet of some sort. And I did it here too, so I made that card with that snippet. Same here. I just put stuff together. And then, you know, of course, some of the ephemera was, you know, I just added that to it. So I made those cards, and I believe there were 7 of them. I still have 3 of them to make. I didn't quite, you know, use up that whole collection. Okay, and then I had, oops, these Park Lane envelopes and cards, and I did use all of those pretty sure. Let me make sure. Let me get them all. Okay. So there's 10 sets. So I made this one. This one is kind of a little snippet as well. That one. This one. And a lot of these were cut aparts from the collection, and I just added them to these 3x3 cards. And you could bundle these up for, you know, the craft fair. You know, bundle them up, sell them separately, or you can put them as a little thank you note for people buying from your craft fair. Oops, I got some of them mixed in. Okay, so there you go. So I did bust that 10 pack of cards, which was good. I kind of like that. All right, moving on, still on to cards. I had a lot of little strips left over that were this size. And so I just, you know, folded over and made these cute little cards. They measured 2 inches by 2 inches. And these would just, you know, be good to, I mean, you could sell them as a pack of 10. Look, some of them I added the cut aparts to. But anyway, you could sell these as a pack of 10. And you know what I would call this? My sunflower market section. Everything that I've made in this video, I would call it my sunflower market. Yeah, or we call it the sunflower summer, the name of the collection. Okay, so there were some cut aparts in here that seeds, sunflowers, and so I made 3 seed packets. Now I just made this on my own. I'll have to get the directions for you, but I thought, well, I'd put a packet of sunflower seeds in there. I don't have any. I don't know whether they'll fit, but I will check to see if I can find some today and put them in there just to see. But I just winged it and made my own little sunflower seed pocket. I can kind of give you an idea of what I use. The 6x6 paper, and I think I'd cut it 4 1/4 by 6, and I scored it. I know I wrote down those directions on how I scored it. I think I scored it at 3 1/4 and 6 1/2. So the paper was full length was 4 1/2 by 6. This is using your 6x6 paper, and I scored it because this cut apart was 3 inches by 4 inches. So I scored it at 3 1/4 and 6 1/2, maybe. I don't know. I'll have to see what I did, guys. But anyway, it was super easy, and all I did is glued the bottom shut, and then I didn't have enough room up here. I shouldn't have cut it so short because I didn't have enough room up here to really make the fold over. So keep that in mind. You may want to keep that together. But anyway, I'll do a tutorial on this when I get a chance. I want to make it correctly, and so I do want to get seed packets and make sure that they fit in there because that's super cute. But anyway, those, I made 3 of those. All right. Then there was a bunch of 4x4 cut aparts in the collection, and I made they are actually 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. So I made little 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 cards. I think they're so darling. Just the cut apart on them. So darling. And there you go. And then I did make more cards. So just the cut aparts and the paper, letting the paper do the work, the background paper. Well, And this is those 10 packs of cards from Dollar Tree. And I used a whole 10 pack on those to make these cards just super easy. You can see I used 2 separate papers there because that was what I had left over. And yeah, I got to show you something that I made. It's coming up. Okay, and then those are the cards. So I did a 10 pack of cards, those A2 cards from the Dollar Tree. Okay, I had a ton of leftover stuff. And I'm like, what do I do with this? And so I've already mentioned the snippets. That's what I'm calling them. Okay, give me just a moment. I'm going to put some stuff up. I need to finish those. Let me put this stuff up, and then I am going to show you what I made. These were fun. Just mindless, something very, very mindless. Just sat there and made them. Okay, so I had a ton of stuff left over. And I still have some stuff left over, but, you know, like that. So I had paper in different things. Oh, somebody's calling. I hope it doesn't mess up our recording. But anyway, I had paper left over, just scrap paper, and all I did was sat there and figured it out and put stuff together. Okay? And I'm calling them little snippets. I just, you know, I may have glued it. I may have stapled it. I just sat there and just did it. Look how cute. But there were cut aparts with words, and I just, like this one was sunflower, but sun was all cut off, so I just put sunshine flower. This was a sticker, and I just put them together. This one I just stapled a little flag. But anyway, this was so much fun. This was a square, and I glued this on and put those stickers on it, and that was it. Snippets were a lot of fun. Lot of fun. Okay, let me show you what I have left over from the collection. This was fun. Anyway, I have these stickers left over. And, okay, that was just showing you the, I guess, get rid of those. But I still have these strips left over. Well, these are the branding strips. I can throw those away. I had that left over. This, I think I'm going to make more snippets out of that. I still have, yep, I'm going to make more snippets out of that. So I still have all of this left over. I will make more snippets out of that. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. I hope you enjoyed this, but I think these would be great for craft fairs. You can package up those snippets or just add them to your little journals or whatever, but all of this stuff would be great for a craft fair, especially theme-wise, using the same paper. The Sunflower Summer is what I used. You could call it Sunflower Summer Market, whatever you want, but that could be your theme for, you know, making something like that, or any type of, you know, paper, themed paper that you use. You could use that for your craft fair. But anyway, have a great day, guys. Take care and have a great weekend.